Kaliang Persya Voice of the People Party VPP kalap Pyllait jika manifesto election Lok Sabha baat pasau terlikimat kaba Pyllait jimut banyak kun ha kaban kintup jika Meghalaya hapo ke artikel lais pak nyew pawai ban yada ya ke jela na ke jing Treikam ki ain ke sarkar pedeng kene ka manifesto bakat sausla la Pyllait ba the Vice President Dr. Kara H. Shen ha ringkat kiwei kinong yalam ke parti ha ke jing ye gendu bat kilat pathai kubor hinne ke sengi thoding Ka WPP kalap penyeng yau General Secretary Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon kum kertong banyak kun ke election Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat. Ka parti ka pentip bakan yakun la ne bu ya ka Meghalaya hapo ka artikel lais pa nya pawai banyak dai ka jela na ka jing Treikam ki ain ka sarkar pedeng ki bakta ya ka riti ka dostor jang ki pai ba. Kala kularu ban tinru ha ka ban penrung ya ka tin khasi ha ka kernit bapra Jong ka riti sensyar kari batru ban kentiu ya ka Pyllait dangle ha jela Nalor ban Persya ya ka jing pin jari ya ka tin Hindi bat pin kesan ya ka tin English kum ka tin ai jing hikai haki school bat ki college nalor ka official language ka jela ka WPP kala shimru ya ka norim ka bas camp Persya ya ka uniform civil code balawan ra da ka sarkar BJP
from the Voice of the People Party, and this manifesto is meant for the 18th Lok Sabha election 2024. So according to our manifesto, some of the points that we are going to raise are on the basis of the good governance, on democracy, on secularism and pluralism, on the education. There are points that we have raised A, B and C, which you will see later. Then we will also speak on the Article 371 and the 6th schedule. Then we will also engage on the border policy and the power sector, on the agricultural sector, on the environment, and also we will speak up about the border dispute with Assam. Then we will also take up about the reservation of jobs in central government offices. Then we will seek the intervention of the central government on the menace of drugs abuse. Then we will oppose the uniform civil code introduced by the BJP government. Then we will press for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. And we will also stress for the infrastructure for sports facilities. And then we will also stress on the importance of the ILP. And also, we will stand against the implementation of the CAA, or the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, and also we will deal with the improvement of health sector. And we will also speak about the improvement of both infrastructure and the communication technology. And also, we will take up matters such as the enhancement of airway infrastructure, and we will also oppose the uranium mining. And we will also oppose the establishment of railway lines, especially in Khasi and Ganja Hills. And we will also take up matter that deals with the rights of individuals with disabilities. And last of all, we will also ensure effective implementation of centrally sponsored schemes. So these are some of the points that we have placed in the manifesto, and you are ready now to raise